Alright, now lana sino question 8 for November 2017 paper 2 mathematics. In the description box uzothola ama link for amanye ama questions akhona kule question paper. La question 4 sine Euclidean geometric problem. It's Euclidean involving ama common shapes. Lana sino rhombus ku 8.1, and this is a 3-part question. So you know 8.1, 8.2 as well as 8.3. So lana sizoqala question 8.1. Now 8.1 bathi KLMN is a rhombus with diagonals intersecting at O, and then basipha ne-angle LKM which is equal to 34 degrees. Alright, now LKM is this angle, right? And then bese ku 8.1.1 but write down the size of angle O1. Angle O1. If ama properties wakho uyawazi kahle we rhombus, we know that ama diagonals we rhombus they intersect each other perpendicularly. So it means the angles where the two diagonals intersect, they are 90 degrees. So O1, why 6.1? Okay, 8.1.1, and then O1 is equal to 90 degrees. It's a property yani yama, it's a property a rhombus. Right now vasikhombisa, this is a rhombus, and siyabona ukuthi lana where the two diagonals intersect we get a 90-degree angle because of lama diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Now siya 8.1.2, calculate the size of L1. Now L1, O1 and angle LKM, they are in a triangle. Bashara a triangle. In triangle KOL. In triangle KOL. Right? Siyabona ukuthi sifuna ubani L1. L1 is in fact equal to 180 degrees minus O1 which is 90 minus 34 which is angle LKM inside the triangle. Why is this true? It's because of the sum of angles in a triangle. Therefore, now it's 180 minus 90 minus 30 minus 34. This is equal to 56. Equal to 56 degrees. So L1 is equal to 56 degrees. Now, sisi abuya 8.1.3. 8.1.3. Okay, a piece of advice for Euclidean geometry. It's important ukuthi wazi wonke lama properties wa wonke lama shapes. You kite, you need to know ama properties wakhona. Rhombus, you need to know all the properties. Parallelogram, rectangle, as well as a square. You need to know wonke ama properties walawo ma shapes lawo in order to answer ama questions ga where Euclidean geometry. Now 8.1.3, calculate the size of KNM. KNM. So lana sifuna le angle yala, this whole angle yala, right? Well, there are ways ongazisebenzisa for calculating this angle, but since sesino L1, right? Since we do have L1, and I know that the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal, and the interior angles add up to 360 degrees, right? And one more thing, siyabona ukuthi nalama diagonals lawo they bisect ama angles kuma vertices, yeah? So it means L1 ulingana nobani? No, L2. Therefore L1 ulingana nobani no L2, which are both equal to 56 degrees. Why? Ama diagonals bisect angles, right? A bisect ama angles. So L1 no L2 bayalingana, right? L1 plus L2 is equal to 56 times 2 equal to times 2 lana is equal to 112 degrees. So the angle yonke is 112 degrees. And then there's a property 80, the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. So this angle is equal to okay, N M is equal to L1 plus L2. Why? It's because of the opposite angles of rhombus are equal, right? Therefore okay, N M is equal to 112 degrees. Now answer yethu ke. Voila. 8.1. Let's erase and do 8.2. Alright, now 8.2, given parallelogram PQRS with diagonals PR diagonal and then QS intersecting at point M. Prove that the diagonals bisect each other. Let's prove that lama diagonals are bisect each other. In other words, we need to prove that the length ga PM ilingana ne length ga MR, and then QM ulingana nobani no MS. So bheka, it's either I take these two triangles, triangle QMR and triangle PMS, ne? Or triangle PMQ and triangle SMR, then basically I prove with lama triangle lena na lena are congruent, or this one and this one are congruent. Either way, it's still the best move. So let's prove congruency yama triangles. Once I prove congruency yama triangles, then I can claim or state that lama actually le length le ilingana na le, which is something esifunayo. Sifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi lama diagonals aya bisect each other. Now let's use the triangle lena na this one. So 8.2, in triangle PSM and triangle QRM and triangle QRM. So now two yama triangles, this one and this one, ne? Bheka since the line le PS parallel to QR, S1 ulingana no Q1. S1 is equal to Q1. Why? I'm alternating angles since PS parallel to QR. Yeah, and then bheka this P1 ulingana no R1. P1 is equal to angle R1, and then siyabona ukuthi PS is also equal to QR, right? QR, which in which case the opposite sides of a rhombus, parallelogram, a parallelogram are equal. This is a property yani a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Therefore we can conclude that a triangle PMS is congruent to a triangle QRM. Siprove ngani? Angle side. But I'm thinking of something la. I have another idea. Singavele city or M4, angle M4, this angle M4 is equal to angle M2. Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. This one is equal to this one. So therefore, PSM is congruent to triangle QRM using angle, right? Triple A. Singayipruva so or this way. Therefore, the conclusion is that PM, since congruency means what? The triangles are equal in every respect, or they are the same in every respect. Same angles, same lengths of sides. So therefore, PM uzoba equal to MR. Therefore, PM nangabu equal to MR, it means the diagonal bisector this one. And QM is also equal to MS. Therefore, let's prove that diagonals they bisect each other. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Now, so 8.3. Let me erase 8.3. Alright, now 8.3 in the diagram ABCD is a parallelogram with diagonals intersecting at E. Okay, the diagonals of parallelogram DECF intersecting at G. At G. Asilandela. Na i-parallelogram yokuqala. Ama-diagonals are intersector la. The diagonals of parallelogram DECF, they intersect at G. The diagonals of parallelogram FGCH, they intersect where? At K. Prove that DB is equal to 4KC. Okay, Lana, we need to use properties well parallelogram, especially regarding diagonal. So you want us compare the length of this diagonal DP and the length of this diagonal ga KC. KC is half of this diagonal ga FC, right? Ungizwile half of this diagonal. And ayenza lama diagonals ku parallelogram, they bisect each other. Now, silana ke 8.3 asitale ngale parallelogram enkulu le, right? We know that diagonals ku parallelogram, they do what? They bisect each other. So it means that DB uzoba equal to 2 times DE, or 2 times EB. But EB angeke asincede nganext. Why ngisho njalo? Ngifuna ukuthola a link between KC as well as DB. Now, how can I create that link? It's if and only if ngisebenzisa le length ka DE, right? So this one is irrelevant. I can either say DB is equal to 2DE or 2EB. Since this is irrelevant, say ignore again. So dila nobani no DB and 2DE. Now, sesiguphi uyambona DE is also the opposite side length. The side length for this parallelogram DECF. Therefore, DE ubuya alingane nobani no FC. DE ubuya alingane nobani no FC. Remember, ungakhohlwa, the aim is to do what? Is to find a link between KC as well as DB. So ngenzani? Ngireduce this DB to DE, and then I create another link or another equation, ace letter to the smaller parallelogram. Now DE is equal to FC. FC is the diagonal yani yale smaller parallelogram. Now therefore sesiyabuya ke sithini ulo kanje u FC, right? FC is also equal to 2FK or 2KC or 2KC or 2KC, yes, but to FK angeke abe relevant. Why ngithi angeke abe relevant? We are only interested kubani ku-KC, so we can only express ubani u-FC in terms of u-KC, which is FC equal to 2KC. Therefore we can see that UFC is also equal to bani DE, and DE is 2 times DE equal to bani DB. Seyisibuyisela back la, DB is equal to 4KC. Bheka DE is equal to FC, and FC ngiyambona ukuthi FC is equal to bani KC. Therefore DE is also equal to 2KC, right? 2KC, sort of like isebenzela, like it's create a link qala, then we go back and substitute, and then DE is equal to 2KC, and then DE is also equal to 2 times of DE is equal to DB. Therefore DB uzoba equal to 2 times ubani DE, but DE is equal to 2KC. 2KC, yeah, a bit confusing, but just follow the logic njela. 2 times 2 is 4KC. Therefore sesiprovile ke lo. You first start off by creating a link between DB as well as KC, then you substitute back what. Now 8.3 concludes our question 8. Thanks for tuning in. In the description below of this box uzothola ama link for amanye ama questions for this question paper. If ever on a question, any question, feel free drop in the comment section. Now we enjoy this video, please leave a like. Utshela nabangani bakho ngale video lena, just share it with your friends and help the channel to grow. And then yeah, now we're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Asibonane kule video ilandelayo. Peace.